So I am back, and this is what the shrimp looks like. Looks very good. And it wasn't going to take that long to cook. Sorry about that, guys. The phone won't stay. It keeps falling everywhere. Let me get it like that. There we go. And the shrimp is done. So I have to put the knife over here where it's safe. Put there are lettuce. This area is already clean because I cleaned it. You have to make sure the kitchen is clean before and after. Any other pieces are going to go to trash. So, you're going to need a taco bowl. Like a burrito. Then you're going to need some shrimp. Just a couple, like that. Just a few more. I need some lettuce. Tomatoes. Then you need some cheese. Just like that. You need some taco seasoning, but since we don't have shrimp seasoning, we're going to use taco because it is a same thing as a taco bowl, but instead it's a shrimp bowl. And then top it off. I am going to use sour cream. My hands are always clean, so I always trust my hands. Right there. Let me show you like that. But I don't know if you guys, let me hold it. But yeah, there we go. That is what it looks like. And I hope you guys enjoyed this cooking video with me making shrimp bowls, taco shrimp bowls, whatever you want to call it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys want me to do any more cooking videos, be sure to comment below if the comments are not disabled. And thank you guys so much for watching. And if you are new, be sure to subscribe and give us a big thumbs up. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Deuces.